damn pencil. Greens one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Gotta move the view screen. I wasn't recording the last time, so I gotta do it all over again. Anyway, I wanted to remind everyone that John, Mi Woodsman, is doing a litter cleanup contest. As soon as he hits 25 videos, he's gonna do the giveaway. He's got like 8 more to go, so if you don't want to miss out on this, he's giving some kind of cool stuff for you. You'll have to check his channel for what he's giving away, but I contributed a little something. I guess a really cool ferro rod and striker that was donated. And I think a gift card and some other cool stuff. So don't miss out. You know, it's for a good cause. Cleaner woods. Everyone benefits. As you saw, it only took me a few minutes just to pick up after the pigs. So yeah. Also, August 1st, I think it is, I posted on my community tab, it's a Facebook event, it's cleanup day. And basically go out and clean up. Now I have to work, I think it's the 1st or the 3rd. I think it's the 1st. Crap. Anyway, I'll put up on the screen what day it is if I have to work that day. But my next day off, I've got plans with a buddy, go out and do an overnighter. So I will be doing it then. So, you know, just do it when you can. It's again, it's for a good cause. And if you're out there picking up anyway, and you want to contribute to John's channel, participate in this giveaway, you know, please do so. So, all right. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.